Everybody ready? Yeah. Let's start. Your hands on your knees, eyes closed, spine straight. Have a gentle smile on your face. Observe your breath. Come to the sounds coming from outsides, maybe from nature. Just observe them. Now bring the awareness to your own body. Your breath going inside through the nostrils, how deep it goes, movement of the belly, chest with the breath. Just observe. Now check your fit bones with eyes closed. Look at your body with closed eyes. Relax your facial muscles if there is any tension. Okay, now from here both the hands in Gyan Mudra, and we will chant one Om to begin the class. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down and set an intention for the workout today. Very gently rub your palms and apply the heat generated on your eyes. Open the eyes while looking towards the floor in front of you. Welcome back everybody. We will start with Anulom Vilom. That is must, but breath work has its own importance in yoga. So left hand Gyan Mudra. Touch the tip of your index finger and thumb, make a knife O. And then half index finger and other three fingers join them. This is the position from the back, and rest it on your knee. This is left hand and this is right hand. We will make Vishnu Mudra of right hand. Bend front two fingers of your hand, and this is the position. We will use it for pressing the nostrils. Right nostril with thumb and left nostril with index finger. Okay, one by one. So what we need to do, we will start by pressing the right nostril. Exhale through left, inhale through left. Close the left with the index. Exhale through right, inhale through right. Close the right with thumb. Exhale through left, inhale through left. So this is Anulom Vilom. We will do it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now eyes closed, spine straight. Rule is start by exhaling through left nostril and end it by exhaling through left nostril. We will wait for everyone to close their cycle once instructions has been passed. So let's start. Left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Let's do it ourselves. Keep the breath slow and long. Be with your breath. Let's finish the last cycle and come to both hands in Gyan Mudra and seated posture. Okay, everybody, you can open the eyes. This is Anulom Vilom, a very good practice to release the stress and calming down our nervous system. So let's start with the workout. We will start with neck movements today. So on exhale, touch your chin to the chest, and on inhale, take it back. 1, 2, 3. Come to the center. Now exhale, right ear to right shoulder, inhale center, exhale left ear to left shoulder 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Second round. Third. Very gently make your arrival back. Now turn side to side. Inhale, turn back. Keep your shoulders in place. Exhale, center. Inhale, other side. Exhale, center. 1. Second round. 2. Last one. 3. Okay, next one is seated cat cow. So interlock your fingers in front of your face. Now make a nice round from your spine. Okay, I am showing you from the side. You don't need to turn. I am showing you. Make it like this. This is cat, and now from here inhale, raise the arms up and maintain the curve of the back. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep arms flexed, elbows locked. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And very gently come back and release. Very good. So we are done with upper body, and our primary task is to do hip opening today. So we will start with lower body hip opening. Butterfly, everybody knows. Join the folds of both the feet, place it, hold and flip. Do it with maximum range of motion. Our hips are known for storing the emotions. So by working out, by doing hip opening movements, we release the stored tension and emotions and feel lighter. So hip opening workouts has its own importance in yoga, of course in our life also. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Next is rocking the baby pose, Shishupal Asana. For this arc of your elbow, this place, you will place outer arc of your right foot in left elbow bend, and your right elbow bend will be holding the knee. Interlock your fingers. Try to keep the spine straight if possible, and swing side to side. Yeah, don't worry, try it. If it is totally impossible, you can hold it this way also. Yeah, if you can't hug it. So idea is we are moving the hip joint. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8. Other leg is resting on the mat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Place this baby with love on the mat. Hold other one. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very gently drop it down. Now everybody stand and we will fit in Malasana. You can shake your legs just to relax. We are fitting for a while. Now keep your feet open, little more than shoulder width apart. Both the hands joined in front of your chest, chest out. There is an arc maintained in the back, and fit down. Very good. Everybody will fit here for next 1 minute. You can keep your eyes closed and observe your breath. Try deep inhale and longer exhale. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently you can release. Come to Ardha Sukhasana. Good. Oh, be careful. Okay. Everybody open the legs. Yeah. Just open and be comfortable in this posture first of all. And then now touching alternative toes. One, other hand is on the back. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and center. Now next one is Chakki Chalan Asana, churning the windmill, holding your both the hands, taking it to the left foot, then make a round, take it to right, come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale while moving forward. Inhale on the other side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come to the center. Next movement is holding your right thigh with your left hand, taking your right arm extended on the one side and bend. Now what I do, those who are very flexible, others do according to capacity. I will try to take my left elbow here and place my other arm and holding my foot. Okay, you can do it anywhere. Okay, idea is to stretching these inner thighs and your side body. 1, come back. 2, keep doing it. Exhale while bending. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and hold on 10. Go down, hold and try to look upward. You can look front. Be gentle to yourself, but try a maximum reach of yourself. Stay there and breathe there. Tell your body it's okay here, so that next time it will be there automatically. So, and you can move a step further. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale and let's bend other side. Close your eyes and breathe here. Try a deep inhale and long exhale. Okay, inhale, come up. Yeah. Okay, both the arms on the sides. Inhale, stretch your spine. It's like somebody is holding you from top side and you are hanging. Now you create a space in your spine's vertebrae, and now on exhale, go down towards your left foot. This way you can lengthen your spine more. Inhale, come up. Exhale, move other side. Inhale, come up. Stretch up, go down. Left side, other side, sorry, right side. 2, left side, inhale up, 4, 5, 6, go down and hold, stay here, 3 breath, eyes closed, try deep inhale and long exhale. Try your right hip should not be lifted up, it should be down on the floor. Inhale, come to the center, exhale, go other side, hold, eyes closed. Inhale, come up, hands to the sides on exhale, and let's do butterfly. Spine straight, eyes closed, flip the knees. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Again take your legs to the sides, and this time we will try to move forward. Do reach it according to your capacity and stay there. Once you reach, like you may reach here, then move to the sides towards your toes, if you can hold your toes or shins, and stay here 1 or 2 breaths, and very gently again hands to the center and come back. Only 3 times, 1 is done, 2 times more. This is called Bhu Naman. Bhu stands for earth, Naman stands for Namaste. Okay, move forward. Now hands to the sides, reaching your toes, holding your toes, and stay. Gently make your arrival back and come up on inhale. One last time, we will stay little longer there, 3-4 breath maybe. Okay, exhale, always go down on exhale. Now move your hands to the sides and stay, breathe. You can close your eyes and breathe. Last 3 breaths. Last 1 breath. Very gently come to the center and move back on inhale. Very nice. Everybody in butterfly. Yeah. Okay, eyes closed, spine straight. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And now we are moving towards other side. Come to the front side of the mat. Okay, now from here tuck the toes and down dog. Let's pedal the knees here. Raise your heels up and then up down one by one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax in downward dog. And now right leg up, 3-leg dog. And next is place your right foot outside the right palm. Outside the right palm. Everybody come. Yes, very good. Those who are comfortable here and can't go down, it's okay. Those who are uncomfortable here can drop their back knee on the mat, and those who want to move further, bend your elbows. Lizard pose. All three variations are for lizard pose. Stay. Close your eyes and stay here. Try to breathe. Deep breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently come back. Take your right foot back. Relax in Vajrasana. Drop your knees and sit down. Good. Come to Vajrasana. You will relax here. Everybody is okay? Anybody wants child pose? Okay. Okay, we will move once more, then relax in child pose. Okay. Now move forward. Tuck your toes. This time left leg up, 3-leg dog. Bend your knee, left foot outside the left hand. Option to drop the back knee and stay here or bend your elbows. Now lizard pose. Stay here. Close your eyes. Deep inhale, longer exhale. Okay, now come back. Make your arrival back, foot back. Drop your knees and relax in child pose. Three breath. Very gently make your arrival back. Tabletop position. Tuck your toes. I want you to strengthen your core for a while. Just take your knees off the mat and stay. Your knee should be near the mat, but stay here. Very good. Eyes of the elbows should be facing each other. Turn your arms inward and stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come to down dog. Straight your legs and relax in down dog. Now from here, take your right foot front between the palms. This time between the palms. And drop your back knee. Low lunge position. Very good. Everybody in position now. From here, inhale, raise your both the hands up. And try if you can go little back, otherwise stay straight. Exhale, hands on the mat. Now next is straight your front leg. Take your toes off the mat, come on your heels and try to bend forward. Exhale. Be gentle to yourself, listen to your body. Okay, inhale, come front, bend your front knee, and now from here both the arms up. You can go little back. Exhale, hands on the mat. Inhale, straight your front leg, toe off the mat. Exhale, go down. Try if you can touch your forehead with the shin. If not, it's fine. Stay at your maximum level. Inhale, bend your front knee, come front, both the hands up, look up, go back. Again, exhale, go down, hands on the mat, straight your front leg, and exhaling, touch your forehead with the shin bone. Let's do it with movement, using your own dance rhythm. Inhale, come front, both the hands up, go back. Exhaling, come front, hands on the mat, front knee straight, go down. Inhale, bend your front knee, hands up. Exhale, move forward. Enjoy the flow. Straighten the front knee, go down. Inhale, moving forward, hands up. Exhale, going back. And this time, let's stop here and tuck your back toe. Take your back knee up and take your right foot back. And this time, take your left foot between the palms. Drop your back knee, low lunge position. This is low lunge to middle split movement. Okay, on inhale, both the hands up. Stay here a while just to tell the body that it is okay. Now we are going to do this. Exhale, hands on the mat. Straight your front leg, toe off the mat, go down. Again, stay here for a breath to make familiar to the posture. Inhale, bend the knee, both hands up. We will do it 6 times with flow. Exhale, hands to front, hands on the mat. On exhale, straight your front knee, go down. Inhale, bend your front knee, hands up and back. Exhale, hands on the mat, straight your front knee. 4th round, bend the knee, move up, move coming front, straight the front knee. Last 2 to go. Bend the knee, hands up. Exhale, go down. Just make your own movement and enjoy. Again, inhale. Exhale, go down. Straight the front knee. Now come front, bend the knee, tuck your back toe, knee off the mat, take your leg back, drop your knees and relax in child pose. 3 more breath. Prepare yourself for the next flow. Okay, let's come up, tabletop position. Tuck the toes, come to down dog. Place your right foot between the palms. There is 90-degree angle in the front knee. Back heel of the mat, move up, high lunge pose. Very good. Everybody try, stay strong. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down. And now from here you can move your back foot little forward and straight your front leg. Drop the back heel on the mat and go down. Try to touch forehead with the shin and stay. Inhale, come up. Take your right foot back, down dog. This time left foot forward between the palms. Guys, don't worry, this is last one. High lunge pose. "90-degree angle in front knee. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the mat. Left foot back and relax in child pose. Okay, move forward, come to tabletop position. Fit in Vajrasana. From Vajrasana to place your both the hands on right side. Take your legs out, stretch in front of you. Come to front side of the mat and let's hold in boat pose. Arms up and stay. Yes, you can bend the knees. Very good. Yeah, just try to maintain 5 breaths, eyes closed. Lie down from here. Okay, bend your both the knees. Place your right ankle on the left knee and hold your left thigh or left shin with fingers interlock and pull it towards the chest. Figure 4 stretch. Very good. Eyes closed. Stay here. 3 breaths. Exhale, go down, switch the leg. This time left ankle, right knee, holding the right thigh or right shin and pull it towards your chest. Eyes closed, breathe. release. Now next is bridge pose, just to counter or forward bend during the fashion. Now what is the position? Your longest finger should be touching your heel on both sides. Inhale, raise your hips up, chest up. Try touch your chin with the chest. Exhale, go down, very slow. 5 times more. Inhale. Tight your glutes once you are up. Exhale, go down. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This time we will hold. Close your eyes and breathe. Look at your posture with eyes closed. Feel your calf muscle, tension in your maybe quads and hamstrings. Squeeze your glutes. Check your shoulders. Now we will drop very slowly, starting from the upper back. Touch every vertebra of your spine on the mat one after the other until lower back reached. Relax. Now keep your both the feet mat width apart, both the arms to the sides like a T position. Drop your both the knees to the left side and look towards your right palm. Markatasana. Close your eyes, breathe. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale to other side. Drop your knees to the right and look towards your left palm. Inhale, come to the center. Now hug your knees. Pavan Mukta Asana. You can touch your chin with your knees. And now from here I want you to do little bit rock and roll with up low, come up, fit. Roll yourself up. Yeah, very good. Now we will do little bit rolling. Very good, very good, very good. Reach. Yeah. Exhale. Start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the lying position and hold outer arc of your both the feet and enjoy in happy baby pose. Swing side to side. Good, good, good. Eyes closed. Enjoy 3 breaths. Come to the center. Join your legs. Place them here and let's make circles. Massage your lower spine. 2 more. Reverse, other direction. Two more to go. Okay. Now let's move to Shavasana. Both the palms on the side of your body and palms facing upward. eyes closed. Release your whole weight on the mat. Observe your breath. It's like you are in the lap of Mother Earth. And being in the lap of the mother is the most safest thing. So tell yourself, I am safe. If there is any tension in any part of the body, heal it by sending your breath to that part. Relax fully. Observe your body head to toe with eyes closed. Now let's do belly breathing 3 times. Inhale, fill your belly with the breath, expand it out, hold the breath in the belly and waist area and release. Release it in 3 count. 2 times more. Inhale, hold, exhale. Once again, inhale, expand the belly, hold the breath, release slowly. Relax here for a few more breaths. There shouldn't be any tension in any part of the body, though be it be your shoulders, maybe your facial muscles. Relax every part of the body. Let's bring the awareness back. Move your toes, wiggle your fingers, turn your head to the right, now to the left. Bring your feet together, interlock your fingers above head and stretch your body in lying position. Supta Tadasana. Now from here, bend your knees. Take your both the palms under your head and turn to any preferable side. Stay here, one breath. Now, taking support of the mat, come to seated posture. If possible, keep your eyes closed. Don't lose the connect. Both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Stay here 1 minute. Check your posture with eyes closed. If spine is straight, neck in line with the spine, hands resting on the knees. Have a gentle smile on your face. Observe your breath. Feel the change, if any, before the clap and after the clap. Now let's chant one Om to end the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Join your hands in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Just be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat for this session. May this peace travel with you throughout the day. Rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on the eyes. Once again, rub your palms. Apply it on your scalp, arms. You can tap your body also, legs, chest. Hug yourself. Hug tightly. Turn to right, left 2 to 3 times. Come to the center. Raise your arms up and down. Very gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone. The session has been closed. Good. Enjoy.